Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Cisco CCNA. First, understand the exam objectives and choose quality study materials. Next, develop a consistent study schedule to keep you on track. Remember, hands-on practice with labs and simulations is absolutely essential for success. Following these steps will build a strong foundation for your certification journey. To truly master the CCNA, focus on core networking fundamentals, especially TCP versus IP. Official Cisco pressbooks and reputable online courses are invaluable resources. Supplement your reading with video tutorials from experienced instructors. Joining a study group can also provide different perspectives and help solidify your understanding of complex topics. Hands-on practice is non-negotiable for the CCNA. Use tools like Packet Tracer or GNS3 to simulate network environments. Spend time configuring routers and switches and actively troubleshoot common network issues. Building small network topologies from scratch will reinforce your theoretical knowledge and prepare you for real-world scenarios. As you near your exam, take practice tests to gauge your readiness and identify weak areas. Dedicate time to reviewing those specific topics. Creating flashcards for key terms and commands can be a highly effective memorization tool. Finally, ensure you get adequate rest before the exam day to perform your best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.